Hi, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today I want to show you the newest thing we have done to our Ram truck. Come around this way, let me show you. Now a lot of times people want to put lights, cab lights on top, and of course it's a lot of work. You have to wire them all in individually spots. Now AVS, Auto Vent Shade, has come out with a new one. And what's nice about this is all adhesive on here with just one wire. And now the installation is so much easier. It looks really nice. This took us about 30 minutes to put on, and that's including the wiring. So it wasn't too bad. It has a great look. Gives you a nice little pizzazz to the top of your truck. Most important thing, unlike regular cab lights, this is a lot less work. I like it. It matches, if you look over here, you can see my grill on here. It gives a very nice look, especially at night. I like the whole look we got here. And the nice thing, it's not real expensive. It's actually very reasonably priced compared to some other versions of this. And you know, you don't have to worry about being too bright or anything like that. It lets people see you, and of course being seen makes your vehicle a lot safer. I always like people to see us, or see me when I'm driving here. And I'm really happy with the way this looks. Again, this is made by Auto Vent Shade, and this is the Aerocab lights. And I'm Chris with C&H, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. And as always, hit that little like button. We really like that. Thank you very much, and have a great day.